Hello and welcome to the third match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Broughton Primary from Westmoreland up against Jericho Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Jericho Primary won and they decided to play first. So Jericho Primary, we begin section 1 with you. We begin with Bible knowledge. Who was chosen to replace Judas after he lost his place for betraying Jesus?
Barabbas.
Barabbas.
That's incorrect. It's Matthias. Broughton, Bible knowledge. How did Judas die after betraying Jesus?
He hanged himself.
That's correct. Jericho, science. Does the artery carry blood away from or towards the heart?
Away from.
Away from.
That's correct. Broughton, science. Does the word renal refer to the kidneys or the lungs?
Kidney.
Kidney.
That's correct. Jericho, local affairs. It's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Michael Stewart.
That's incorrect. It's Member of Parliament, Alanda Terrelong. Broughton, local affairs, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
That's Scott Motley.
That's incorrect. It's Member of Parliament, Natalie Nita Headley. Jericho, English language. What's the preposition used in this sentence? The cashier is behind the counter.
Behind. Behind.
Is correct. Broughton, English language. What's the preposition used in this sentence? The boy near to the woman is her son.
Near.
Near.
Is right. Jericho, television, a visual question again. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Tyler Perry. Tyler Perry.
That's correct. Broughton, television, visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Nick Cannon.
Nick Cannon.
That's correct. Jericho, general knowledge. In which country is the headquarters of the World Health Organization, the WHO?
Geneva. Geneva.
The country is Switzerland. That's incorrect. Broughton, general knowledge. In which European city is the headquarters of the Food and Agricultural Organization, the FAO?
Paris.
That's incorrect. It's Rome. Jericho, social studies. Which Jamaican political party was founded by Norman Manley?
People's National Party.
People's National Party.
That's correct. Broughton, social studies. Who was Jamaica's premier in 1960?
Norman Manley.
Norman Manley.
That's correct. Jericho, music. To which specific family of instruments does the oboe belong?
Strings. Woodwind.
Woodwind.
That's correct. Broughton, music. To which family of instruments does the triangle belong?
Percussion.
Percussion.
That's correct. Jericho, mathematics. What's the value of Z? If 8Z minus 19 equals 29.
6.
6.
That's correct. Mathematics for you, Broughton. What is the value of X if 7X minus 31 equals 32?
9.
9.
That's correct. Sports for you, Jericho. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Trisha K. Smith.
Trisha K. Smith.
Jamaican athlete. That's correct. Broughton, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sharon Simpson.
Sharon Simpson.
That's incorrect. It's Jamaican athlete Nikisha Wilson. Jericho, Jamaican affairs. In which parish in Jamaica can most of the cockpit country be found?
Trelawney.
Trelawney.
That's correct. Broughton, Jamaican affairs. In which parish in Jamaica can Moortown be found?
Portland.
Portland.
That's correct. And that bell signifies the end of Section 1 with both Jericho Primary and Broughton Primary on 8 points. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, homework and studying should be a regular activity so that preparing for a test is never a last-minute cram session. Test taking is a skill, which means it requires practice. Stay with us. TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2017 continues after this.